A massive winter storm has caused widespread chaos across the United States, bringing a combination of freezing rain, rare tornado warnings, and heavy snowfall.
Look at my car. See? Get ice. You cannot go there. It's too slippery. You cannot walk up the woodwork. See? Woodwork. See? Look at that ice. Lucky I don't have work today. See? Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Hello! There's some more!
The storm began unleashing its fury on Friday evening, creating treacherous conditions across Iowa and eastern Nebraska.
Damn it!
Roads quickly turned into sheets of ice, making travel dangerous and prompting the temporary closure of Interstate 80, one of the region's most critical highways. Numerous vehicles, including cars and trucks, skidded off the road, leaving drivers stranded and emergency crews overwhelmed.
Let's see, 4/5 was over the course of 5 hours. I'm going to say 180-pound man essentially.
Local officials issued urgent warnings, advising residents to stay home unless absolutely necessary.
2.26. Like that shit. Clean out the holler, Jimmy. They said you got some like that. So,
Oh my god, everything is fucking froze. It's fucking icy. Whoa! Oh! Oh! You cannot break that down. Oh shit! Oh my god! Who the fuck is outside driving in this?
Events were canceled, schools closed, and many businesses delayed opening Saturday morning to allow road crews to treat icy surfaces. However, the relentless freezing rain made it difficult to keep up.
Ice storm last night. I mean, it is just ice. The street is ice. The roofs are ice. Garbage cans and ice. My cars around the corner are ice. Grill is ice. Fence is ice.
The storm's reach extended far beyond the Midwest. In a shocking turn of events, San Francisco experienced its first ever tornado warning.
Oh my god. You gotta spin it.
good morning, folks. It is about 6:45. We are in the midst of our ice storm. You can tell by the light over here, it's a pretty good rain. It's not, this isn't a light drizzle or anything like that. This is all freezing rain falling, folks. We have about...
Meteorologists scrambled to issue alerts as the fast-moving storm system brought strong winds, toppling trees and damaging roofs in the city's northwest side. San Francisco hasn't seen a tornado since 2005, and according to meteorologist Roger Gass of the Weather Service's Monterey, California office, this was the first ever warning for a possible tornado in San Francisco. The rarity of tornadoes in the area made it challenging for residents to respond. Few homes in the city have basements, a common safe spot during tornadoes, so people were advised to take shelter by placing as many walls as possible between themselves and the outside.
There goes my car!
Elsewhere in the Northeast, the storm brought a familiar but still significant challenge: heavy lake-effect snow. In upstate New York, snowfall totals reached staggering amounts, with over 33 inches reported in Orchard Park.
Well, I don't think we're going to be going anywhere today. That is 1,000 ways to die, right?
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.